All right, guten morgen, everybody. We are looking at some clear skies out there. Oh, boy, I don't know if you had an opportunity to see the moon last night. It was absolutely spectacular. The skies were clear. The full Hunter's moon was out. It was really a spectacular sight to see. You'll likely see that again tonight, although it won't be quite as full. But the skies are going to be clear for most of the day and right on into tonight. And then we got to turn our attention to a coastal storm for Saturday. All right, so we're talking about a Channel 3 early warning radar that is scanning the state dry. Good morning, everybody. It's time to rise and shine. 40, 45, 50 degrees by 5 p.m. I've kind of bumped up the temperature just a little bit. It's still going to be way below average. 60 is the typical daytime high. But by about 5 p.m., we should achieve our highs of 50 inland and 52 for the shoreline under abundant sunny skies. Really going to be beautiful. So as we move through the day today, only 39 degrees by 8 a.m. That's a little on the chilly side. The typical overnight low, we should be in the upper 30s right now, low 40s, and the temperatures have dropped a little bit below that in certain parts of the state. By 10 a.m. 42, you'll notice if you're going to be outside for lunch today, only 45 degrees. That's a little chilly. 50 degrees by 3 p.m. And then we should sneak into the right around 51 degrees for parts of inland Connecticut, a degree or two more for between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. And then the temperatures start dropping, and tonight's going to be a really chilly night. All right, so it's another chilly start out there. Today will be windy and chilly, kind of like yesterday. Beautiful day of weather, though, coming up. And then that coastal storm is expected on Saturday, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty big storm with inches of rain here in Connecticut. Saturday is not going to be a great day. So if you have, I know people were coming up to me at an event last night saying, I've got an outdoor party on Saturday. Unfortunately, you're going to have to move that inside, all right, because it's not going to be favorable on Saturday. Hartford, good morning to you. Beautiful, great, right? Good visibility out there. Waterbury, good morning to you. More of the same. And Middletown, we've got some really nice weather conditions there in Middletown. Let's take a look at some of the numbers in from you, our weather watchers. Eric and Ingrid in Mansfield Center at 30. Eleanor and Hampton right at the freezing mark at 32. And Milford coming in at 39. Now, this is the only number that's fairly close to the normal. Everybody else is below. 30 degrees in Willimantic this morning, 30 in Putnam. That's almost 10 full degrees cooler than normal. 32 in Norwich. And tomorrow morning when you wake up, these temperatures are going to be even colder with a hard freeze. 10-mile-an-hour winds at Bradley, but for the most part, we're doing okay. The winds are expected to pick up again during the day today, so the wind chill, not too much of a factor this morning, but it does subtract a couple of degrees. Our regional radar, dry, not a lot going on there. Satellite and radar still shows that snow coming down in parts of, well, it's pretty much exited northern Maine, but boy, they got a pretty good amount of snow yesterday. And according to our early warning futurecast, tomorrow's weather today, it's high and dry for the next couple of days. All right, so this is the wider perspective here. You can see we are looking at some really, really good weather. Unfortunately, for Saturday, here comes that rain. Oh, my goodness gracious. This is Saturday afternoon, right around noontime. It's pouring in the state. It will pour all day Saturday. But I think by Sunday, late morning, the storm system makes an exit, and we should be pretty good to go. This model takes us out a little bit further. So once again, this is Saturday afternoon, copious amounts of rain, and then watch what happens. We start to see some gradual clearing. By Sunday morning, maybe even Sunday afternoon, some partial sunshine. So that would be pretty good. Highs today will climb into the upper 40s, low 50s, 10 degrees shy of the normal. And then your 7-day forecast includes a pretty stormy weekend. Saturday particularly, we've issued that weather alert there for Saturday, giving you an early warning weather alert that there is some nasty weather headed in our direction. Sunday, things will gradually taper down. Then Monday night into Tuesday morning, another coastal storm moves in. Doesn't look as powerful as the one on Saturday, but still will bring us some rain. And then trick or treat looks great for Wednesday. Finally. We're calling for partly to mostly sunny skies and a nice and chilly night for the kids to get out there and trick or treat.